All right. Let's see, we're getting a medical word again. Hospital.
Hospital.
I don't know.
All right, so if we're talking to anybody over here again. The other night we said doctor and surgery and that. And now the first word to come up is hospital. You saw that we had airplane mode on. Doesn't know where we are. It's not connected to the internet. Doesn't have access to mic, anything like that. But that's what we got, so it's interesting.
I figured it out, and I'm ordering infrared cameras.
You figured it out?
Oh, I know. Okay, it's either got to do with him, and I moved him closer.
You moved who? The boy?
Well, but I've also got Greta.
Oh, this thing. Okay.
And I have a feeling about Greta. Yeah, so I moved him from over here because kind of feel that that's, but then I've got the sisters. And I tried to like zoom in and show you the sisters because they're on the wall over here, but they used to be in this booth.
Yeah.
And the nail kept falling out of it, out of that door.
Out of the door over here?
Yeah, and now another picture's hanging on it, and the nail hasn't fallen out. Kind of find it weird.
All right.
This picture's way lighter.
Well, our thing just talked again. What did we say? We got another name. We got Larry. Over on this wall? Oh, the sister's here?
Yep. This all needs to go somewhere else. There's no toilet paper.
So the sisters were hanging over there before?
Yeah.
Huh.
Oh.
Well.
I know. I literally need a new hobby or something because then I just like went in after we were texting on the cameras. And like, but there's not a camera in this booth, and I was like, text Tyler. I was like, this would try to set me. Don't tell Mom.
Yeah, so there's no camera that can see over here, though.
No, so I'm gonna order an infrared one.
I'm
gonna order an infrared one.
Yeah. Yeah. So you think it's the door or the frame or?
I'm a friend.
Oh, look at! I'm a friend. It said Larry just a minute ago too. After you were talking about the boy.
We got those doors out at Larry's, out at the state nursery.
Nuh-uh. It's
Crazy Larry.
Swear to God, it says Larry. And that's where you got both of those doors?
Yeah, those carriage house doors.
Yeah. You were saying something about the door, and it said Larry.
Yeah, well, I got them from Larry. Thank you.
It said hospital first, though, which is weird because
again today?
2 days ago it was saying doctor and surgery, but it said hospital. Was the first thing we said. And then Larry, and then it says I'm a friend. Is this, who is our friend? Evelyn. Evelyn is our friend.
Evelyn is our friend. Maybe not Greta. I named her Greta. I have an entire suitcase that I just took home. Not today, but it was from a lady that was a nurse at a children's orphanage.
Oh. Was this where the sisters were over here, right?
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
Be careful in here.
Be careful in here. This must have been in here, right? Because I'm saying, like, look, if it's in there...
Mom said she was here.
And then lay straight, but it won't...
No, it's stuck in there. Yeah.
But I don't know... Where else would it have been?
No, it was in there because Mom's doing this weird thing.
I mean,
No, it's there. It was there. Because I tried to think of anything else, but... Yeah, no, it was right there.
So this is what fell out the other night. And you can see it catches. So it'll go like this and come out, but it was in here. And when I walked by, something crashed down and it was like this. So, I mean, if it fell even.
We can see you all.
We can see you all. Yeah. We can't see you. Even if this fell, right? Somehow. Like it doesn't, there's no way for it to end up over here like this. Super weird. Can you tell us about the doors? Where did the doors come from? Is that it?
The loft.
The loft. Is that where the doors came from? That gave me shivers. That fits. Okay, it came from the loft. Alright, anything else about the doors or the store or you or anything? I gotta leave. Give me one word to describe you before I leave. Is this Evelyn?
Yes, it's me.
What? Okay. All right, Evelyn. It was nice to talk to you again. I'll be back in a few days and we can do it again. Good night.